soul. You take my self-control. You got me living on this borderline. Before the morning comes, the story is told. You take my self-control. Another night, another day goes by. I never stop myself to wonder why. You're making me forget to play my role. You take my self-control. I live among the creatures of the night. I haven't got the will to try and fight. I guess I knew tomorrow, so I guess I'm just believing that tomorrow never comes again. Night, I'm living in a moment of a dream. I know that night is not as it would seem. I must believe in something, so I'll make myself believe it. That the night will never go. Oh, 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 oh. You take my sound, 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 you take myself, you take my sound, you take myself, 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 you take myself.
Who's gonna tell you when it's too late? Who's gonna tell you things aren't so great? You can't go on thinking nothing's wrong. What who's gonna drive you home tonight? Who's gonna hang it up when you call? You can't go on thinking nothing's wrong.